Looking for an AI girlfriend or boyfriend? Let me tell you about Talkie AI and whether it's actually worth your time. Talkie AI is a chatbot that lets you talk to AI characters. You can chat with over 50 different personalities, from friendly companions to romantic partners. The app has voice messaging, so you can actually hear your AI friend talk back to you. You can also customize how your character looks and acts. Think of it like creating your own digital friend who's always available to chat. Here's what Talkie AI offers. First, you get tons of characters to choose from. Each one has a different personality and style. Second, voice calls are supported. You can actually talk to your AI character for up to 10 minutes at a time. Third, the AI app generates images. Your AI friend can send you pictures during conversations. And fourth, it supports over 95 languages, so you can chat in your own language. Fifth, there's a teenager mode to keep your younger users safe. And finally, you can create your own custom characters from scratch if you don't like the existing ones. Let's talk about the good and the bad. The good is that it's easy to use, has a lot of character variety, and the free version actually works. Voice calls make it feel more real than just texting. The bad is the AI responses can be repetitive. The app has strict filters that block certain topics, even normal ones. Users complain about frequent updates that changes the user interface, and some characters just repeat themselves in loops. Talkie AI has a free version with ads and limited features. The paid plan is Talkie Plus and costs $10 per month. You get no ads, premium characters, better customization, and daily gems for more interactions. Compared to other AI companion apps that charge $70 or more per year, Talkie is pretty affordable. So, is Talkie AI worth it? If you want a free AI chatbot to pass time, yes, it's fun and easy. But if you want deep, meaningful conversations without filters, you might get frustrated. Stick to humans. The free version is good enough to try, just don't expect perfection.